guys, what's up? My name is Emma and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it right now. So for today's video, I decided to do a get ready with me for this look. So I'm gonna apply this primer, which is the Professional by Benefits Cosmetic. After doing the base of my face, I like to put on foundation. The foundation I'm gonna use today is this Defense Color Matte Zone by Bionic or Bionic. I have no idea how to pronounce their name, but I got it at a pharmacy and it's really good for your skin because it doesn't dry your skin out even if it's matte. After using my hands, I like to use a brush. I recently bought this concealer, which is the Eraser Concealer Instant Anti-Age by Maybelline New York. And I really like it even if it doesn't cover too much. This is really good for the dark circle under your eyes. I blend it with my brush. To give more brightness to my face and conceal a little better, I like to use the heart-shaped tape concealer. This is the light sand shade and it's almost finished. As you can see, I used it so much. I got it in the US. I'm gonna use a concealer brush to apply it to my face. Blend the concealer better with a sponge. This is the Real Technique sponge. I'm not going to put on a powder on my face because since it's winter and I only have to be out of home for a couple of hours, I don't want my skin to be super dry. So I'm just going to put bronzer immediately. To contour my face, I like to use this bronzer by Lancome, which I broke. It was supposed to be something like this, but now it's like this. I'm gonna apply it on this area. I also apply a little bit of bronzer on my forehead. The next step is doing my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows are really thin, so I like to fill them up with the Deep Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the medium brown shade and I really like it. So first of all, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna grab my brush, which is an angled brush, and my Deep Brow Pomade. I start applying the pomade on the lowest part of my eyebrows. Then I brush on the other side and I apply on the upper part of my eyebrows the same brow pomade. After doing my eyebrows, I do my eyes. I really like to use the same bronzer I used for my face on my eyes because I don't want my face to have too many different colors. I like it to be more natural. After applying the brown shade of eyeshadow or the bronzer on your eyes, I like to apply a lighter one. This one is super glowy. It's a cream eyeshadow by Shiseido and you can use it as well as a highlighter. I only put it in the inner corner. I use a flat brush. After that, I use the same one as a highlighter right under my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara. First of all, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara. My current favorite mascara is the Vam Mascara by Puppet. To finish my look, I add some highlighter on the cheekbones and on my nose. I like finishing this look with a lipstick. Avoid the matte lipstick when you have to go outside and it's freezing cold. So I'm gonna apply this one by Yves Saint Laurent, and it's really creamy, so I love it. I'm gonna apply it with a brush. To give more brightness to my lips, I apply a lip gloss by Yves Saint Laurent too. This lip gloss is a little bit brighter than this lipstick. So this is the final result. I really hope you like it. It's really easy. I try to use the same products, for example bronzer both on your cheeks and on your eyes, as well as the highlighter. I like using just a few products, so if you travel or if you have to go out all day long, you can carry with you just a few products. So thank you so much for watching me, and make sure to put a big thumbs up if you like this video, and love you all guys.